You're in the grocery store, eyeing a carton of eggs, when that little voice in your head goes, "Aren't those bad for your heart?" Eggs have been blamed, banned, and brought back again. But what's the truth in 2025? Are they heart-healthy heroes or cholesterol-packed villains? Let's crack it open. Welcome to Dumb It Down, where we cut the jargon, keep it snappy, and make big ideas simple. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so our videos come to you fresh from the oven. In 1968, the American Heart Association said, "Only 3 eggs a week." Why? Each egg contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, and the theory back then was simple. Eat cholesterol, raise cholesterol. But science evolved, and turns out, your body is way more complex. Cholesterol isn't all bad. It's like cargo your body needs to build cells, but it comes in 2 main forms. LDL, the bad cholesterol, like delivery trucks that can clog the highway if too many pile up. HDL, the good cholesterol, like tow trucks that clean up the mess. Eggs, they can actually increase HDL, the good kind, and for most people, they don't spike LDL much at all. Most of your blood cholesterol doesn't come from food, it's made by your liver. When you eat more cholesterol, your liver usually scales back. It's like a thermostat. So, for most people, eating an egg doesn't throw the system out of whack. What does mess with your cholesterol? Saturated and trans fats. These guys raise LDL way more than dietary cholesterol. That's why bacon and cheese matter more than eggs. Eggs aren't just cholesterol, they're protein-packed, full of B vitamins, vitamin D, and choline for brain health. One huge study from China even linked eating 1 egg a day with lower risk of heart disease and stroke. But here's the catch. Not everyone responds the same. Some people, called hyper-responders, do see a jump in LDL from eggs. If you have high cholesterol or a family history of heart issues, talk to your doctor first. Eggs are just one piece of the puzzle. A heart-healthy lifestyle, low in saturated fats, high in fiber, and packed with movement, makes a much bigger difference than cutting out eggs. Exercise boosts HDL. Smoking and inactivity, they clog your metaphorical highways. So what do the experts say now? The AHA says 1 egg a day is fine for healthy adults. Older adults, even 2 can fit into a balanced diet. Eggs went from outlaw to underdog to comeback king. Think of them like a misunderstood friend who got blamed for something they didn't do. When paired with veggies, whole grains, and smart fats, they're an all-star. So yes, eggs are back on the menu. Just pair them with heart-healthy foods, stay active, and talk to your doc if you've got concerns. Like this video, share it, subscribe, and stay curious. Your body will thank you.